Not only is she a pilot, but she's also a wife and a mom. Melissa, yesterday we had the rehearsal, and she got back and she helped us do some fun interviews and get to know her a little bit more. But after I said, Melissa, what are you going to do? You had a red eye in, she said, well, I'm going to do a 10-mile trail run.
Yeah, she's
That's
really
how she
into
relaxes.
trail running. That's her hobby, is trail running. Also an airline pilot for a major airline.
Yep, she flies for Alaska, which is an incredible company that she thoroughly enjoys working for. She also works at Embry-Riddle. She is a professor there, and she is currently working on her doctorate as well. And really, she just goes. Not only is she a pilot, but she's also a wife and a mom. Her 2 kiddos are absolutely incredible. They are 3 and 5.